Okay, so now what we're going to do is sync the 4 linear actuators, and the way to do that would be you'll have to flip over the razor top, both rails for both sides, and you'll lay them right side up. And they don't sit real even. You got to be real careful because the linear actuator bolts are here, and you don't want to have it be uneven because as they go up, they get less stable. So you got to get the rails and stuff mounted on them. But anyways, on this one, again, the switch is mounted to the bottom, like we did earlier. But if your switch box isn't mounted, the plate will be on the next step how to mount that, but this will be loose. You can still operate it with the control box outside of, or not mounted to the unit. Just all you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the power off, or turn the power off on the bottom, which is off right now. Hold the down button, sorry, that's the lights. Hold the down button, this is the up and down switch. Hold the down button, turn it on. It'll beep 3 times and let it go. And then it'll raise it fully up and then stop and then go all the way down and it'll beep once, you'll hear it. And then what you want to do is you got to make sure that when it's going up, all 4 actuators are moving at the same speed. If one of them is not moving, you want to shut it off right away and make sure all the plugs are in because you can cause damage to the system. All 4 of these should be operating together. And as you can see, I'm holding these because they are they can fall over. It's like that until you get the rails, the front and lower rails on. So raised up all the way, it stopped. Now it's going back down. And again, so important to make sure all 4 of the actuators are moving together. If any one of them stops moving or it doesn't move, shut it off instantly because you will cause some damage. Give us a call if that ever happens. We'll be happy to try to work through any issues that you may have or what might be wrong. So again, keep your hand on these at all times or they'll fall off the bench. And then it'll beep once, that means that it's synced. And again, I say put your hands on it, keep your hands on the top, the flat part. You don't want to put your hands in any of the moving mechanisms because obviously that could be dangerous. And then shut the power off and that's it.